welcome back to Study Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Guys, today was supposed to be Idol's SA Top 10 performance, but we ended up having a top 9 finalists to perform. It was reported that Ithana withdrawn from the competition due to medical reasons. She was unable to participate in the highly anticipated battle of the DJ's performance. It's unfortunate that she will not continue with the competition. If the age still allows her, she can try her luck next year. Guys, the channel wish her a speedy recovery. I don't know how you feel, guys, but today's performance didn't meet my expectation and other people as well. I found some music trending #1 on Twitter, people requesting him to come back with his vavavoom. This is all I have for today. Please continue to vote for your favorite contestant, and please, guys, also comment below and share your feeling about today's performance. See you on my next upload. Bye.